Well, hello everyone on this Tuesday, a couple days left of the year, and we're going to end it with some storminess here in the central part of the country. Large area being affected by this storm. Heaviest and worst conditions, though, to our south, Omaha, Des Moines, into southern Wisconsin, Madison. That's where we'll see the heaviest snow, and also some ice accumulation there. Everywhere else in purple, that winter weather advisory, which includes the Twin Cities, where we won't quite get as much heavy snow, but a nice fresh coating of snow, and it will cause some travel headaches if you are going to be driving in the evening hours. That's when we'll see probably the worst conditions in some of the heaviest snowfall rates. But that moisture all spreading north and east. It's been snowing for several hours already into Nebraska, Iowa, and into parts of southeastern South Dakota. This is Iowa's basically equivalent of the 511 map, and already snow-covered roads in western Iowa. And just a sampling of some of the cameras there. This is one of the plow cameras showing, yep, snow-covered roads there in the northwestern part of Iowa, and that's what it will look like as it continues to progress across Minnesota and Wisconsin here over the next several hours into tonight. So basically we're looking for a start time of about 3 to 4 p.m. in the Twin Cities, obviously earlier to the southwest, later to the north and east, and 4 to 8 p.m. heaviest snowfall. Most of the metro, I think 2 to 3 inches is going to be average, closer to that 3-inch range. There will be some isolated 4-inch amounts, especially maybe some of the southern suburbs, but the heavier total is really going to be to the south. And again, we're talking about a pretty wide swath of ice accumulation here along the Iowa-Missouri border. If you, for some reason, are going to be traveling to or from that direction, we're talking about up to a ½ inch of ice accumulation for some spots. So yeah, that's nasty stuff. We'd much prefer the snow. And then rain and some thunderstorms further south on that. And it's all pretty much a quick shot of this evening into tonight. By tomorrow morning, it'll all be long gone. And the nice thing, as I mentioned yesterday, temperatures are going to be in the 20s for the most part, and above that 15-degree mark, which means that salt will work on things and roads should clean up a little bit better. Another storm to our southeast by the end of the week here for the first day of the new year. So that snow swath, large area of snow. It's just that heaviest snow is going to be in a pretty narrow swath across Iowa into southern Wisconsin. That's what we're talking about, 6 to 10 inches for some spots, like the Quad Cities, maybe even Madison, Wisconsin, a little less here as you move towards Milwaukee, but they're going to get more than what we will. And then a widespread lighter snowfall here across Minnesota. So start time, as I mentioned, this is early afternoon in the southwestern part of the state, and then here's 3, 4 o'clock in the Twin Cities. Heaviest snow paused it here right around that 5, 6, 7 p.m. time frame. Maybe some ½ inch to as much as 1 inch per hour snowfall rates, though I think it'll stay under that. And then by midnight, the snow is wrapping up. It's all off to the north and east. Still some lingering snow into the overnight across the Arrowhead. So snowfall amounts, again, pretty widespread across the central and southern part of the state. A lot of us are going to get right around that 2 to 3 inch snowfall amount. Lesser amounts, 1 or 2 inches of fluff in northern Minnesota, and then heavier snow in southeastern Minnesota, where we'll see 3 to 6 inches for some spots, and then of course 6 inches plus as you go further south, again into southern Wisconsin and southeastern Iowa for that fresh snow there. And as mentioned, we're not going to get that Arctic blast, and that's why we won't see all that compacted ice we got last week. The temperatures just dropped so fast that we saw that ice linger on the roads. Not this go around. We'll drop into the mid to upper teens late tonight, and then temperatures mostly in the 20s today and tomorrow. So again, salt will work. Could even see some peaks of sun by tomorrow afternoon. That'll help as well. And then not really that cold. Thursday, Friday morning, single-digit lows, but probably above zero. And then look at the temperatures here by Sunday. We're talking about near freezing, and by Monday into the 30s. So a little mini thaw. Not enough to get rid of all of our snow, but it is going to be warmer next week. This is the average for all of next week, about 10 degrees above normal plus to our north. So a large area of the central part of the continent will be seeing warmer than normal temperatures for the first full week, at least, of 2021. 23 today with that snow starting, again, late afternoon, heaviest during the evening hours. So if you don't have to be anywhere, probably best to stay off the roads. 24 tomorrow, slightly cooler Thursday, Friday. Most noticeably in the morning hours, single digits Thursday, Friday mornings, but also brighter skies. We'll see sunshine. It should see sunshine into the weekend as well with those temperatures warming up back well into the 20s Saturday, near freezing Sunday. And as I mentioned, I think we'll have a couple days next week that'll be above freezing, but not quite into the 40s. So we're going to keep the snowpack around for those who want to get out and play in it with some more tolerable temperatures than what we had after the fresh snow last week.